Hello everyone and welcome to our show. Today we are talking about something really important for everyone, especially for students like us, healthy eating. We all know what we eat affects how we feel, study and grow, right? So let's hear what my friends think. So let's start with you, Mamoon. Why do you think eating healthy is important?
I think healthy eating is important because it gives us energy. When I eat healthy food, I feel more awake and ready for school. But if I skip it or just have junk food, I feel sleepy and can't focus well in class.
That's great point, Mamoon. Breakfast is called the most important meal of the day for a reason. Fatma, what's your take on healthy eating?
Healthy eating isn't just about feeling good now. It also helps us in long run. Eating fruits, vegetables, protein helps build strong immune system from get sick easily. My mother always tell me that what we eat now affects our health later in life.
Fatma, healthy habits today can help us stay fit tomorrow. Sabit, do you find it easy to have eating healthy foods or do you prefer something else?
I have to be honest, I love junk food, especially pizza and fries. I know eating too much of that isn't good for me. I try to balance it out by eating fruits and drinking lots of water. It's okay to have treat, but we need to be careful not overdo it.
I'm with you, Sabit. A little treat now and then is fine, but balance is key. Dua, do you have any tips to make healthy choices easier?
Yeah, I think preparing healthy snacks in advance really helps. For example, I like to cut up apples or carrots and keep them in the fridge. So when I feel hungry, I can just grab them instead of reaching for chips. And drinking water instead of sugary drinks helps too.
Great idea, Dua. Preparing snacks ahead of time can definitely make healthy choices easier. So, to wrap up our discussion, let's each share one healthy habit we are trying to this week. I'll start. I'm going to add more vegetables to my meal. Mamoon?
I will make sure not to skip breakfast.
I will drink more water every day.
I will cut down on junk food a bit.
And I will preparing healthy snacks in advance.
That's awesome, everyone. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on healthy eating. Remember, small change can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, everyone, and see you next time.